Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're here at 832 West Lakeside, 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo. We're here for an open house, but I wanted to show you some of the features of what makes this condo so special. You want to go inside? All right, let's do so. We're here at Unit 2N, once again at 832 West Lakeside. What's great about this unit is its beautiful hardwood floors and great natural light, as we're not blocked by any building behind us because we have the alley. We have this gorgeous outdoor space right off the kitchen, which is very convenient. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets, a custom backsplash that's with Undermount Lighting, and you get all this great natural light. Clawfoot tub, beautiful bathroom, and I love these new hardwood floors throughout the majority of the unit. You have a coffered ceiling, and just look at that natural light as you're not shadowed by a building next to you. Here's our second bedroom and closet, living room, a dining room. And what I love about this unit is you're not looking across from you in a courtyard, you're looking down the courtyard at the beautiful tree-lined, quiet one-way street. So if you have any questions, you want to see this unit, come to our open house or call me on my cell phone, 773-965-1871. Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. Make it a great day, everybody.